So first I'm just filing my nails, making sure that my nails are nice and smooth, just so I avoid breaking my hair. Okay, for the sake of the video, I'm just spraying some water on my hair to make sure that my hair is a little bit moist for the shampoo to go in and absorb, get rid of the dirt in my hair. As you can see, the picture is really blurry, so I've got a nice clear picture for you to see. It's a Faith in Nature coconut shampoo. I'm not using too much of it, just about you saw the size. I don't want to say dime size because I'm not in America, but something like that. I've slowed it right down here so that you can see how I wash my hair. I'm pulling the hair so to avoid tangles, getting into the scalp, using the pads of my fingers and just massaging my scalp. Making sure that I've got the shampoo all over my scalp. I wouldn't usually do it like this. I'd usually do it in the shower, but I'm going to go in the shower now and rinse it all out. Okay, so now I've got my hair rinsed out. I'm about to use the conditioner. Again, a nice clear picture of the Faith in Nature conditioner. Okay, that's how much I use, but I'm going to use a little bit more as well. The conditioner, the consistency was really good. It made my hair really, really soft, and the comb kind of just glided through my hair. It was brilliant, actually. Okay, so I've covered a bit more of my hair now with the conditioner, and now I am about combing it through. Overall, I was happy with the shampoo and conditioner. Very, very happy with it. I would definitely repurchase it and would recommend it to anyone. It's brilliant. There is no issues whatsoever. I've got no cons whatsoever. I would say the shampoo was very, very moisturising. Did not leave my hair stripped at all. And the conditioner, again, really moisturising, so simple to comb through my hair, and my hair was left shiny, moisturised, and the bonus is that it's all natural. So definitely I would recommend it. The price is not expensive. It ranges from about £5 to £10. Check out Faith in Nature and go and buy it. Bye. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.